Why did I got that?
Okay, so 9.6 is adding fractions and decimals from 10th to 100. All right, so as a review, there's nothing in there, Tina. Okay, then get them out and put this back. All right, so if I was to add decimals, what do I need to do when I'm setting up the problem to add decimals? Levi. What do I have to do if I want to add a decimal to here? Okay, everybody repeat after me. Line up the decimals.
Line up the decimals.
Again.
Line up the decimals.
Okay, wherever the decimal is, that's where it goes. What's 5 plus 5?
10.
Carry the 1. 3 plus 2 is?
6.
No, 3 plus 2.
5.
That's the problem, is you guys do not pay attention. You don't pay attention when you're reading. You don't pay attention when Miss Friendly's speaking to you. What is 3 plus 2?
5.
Plus 1.
6.
Thank you. 0 plus 3 is?
3.
Okay, so my answer then is 3. Oh, I'm thinking of money. It's 3.60. Okay? Okay, division. If I have 4, people sharing $3.60, what do I need to do with the decimal? Elise. Okay, what's that called, everybody? Line. Nope. Line. Again.
Line up the decimal.
Okay, so my decimal is just going to go right up above it. 4 can go into 3 how many times?
9.
0. So I'm going to go next door. 4 will go into 36 how many times?
9.
9. 4 times 9 is?
36.
36 minus 36 is?
0.
Bring down?
0.
Is it just 9? No. 4 goes into 0 how many times?
0.
4 times 0 is?
0.
Good. Right. Okay, so that was review. You don't understand how I got the 4? I just made up this problem. So I pulled the 4 from my head. Okay, so the first problem in our book, I'm going to wait because I have people that are not paying attention.
Stop talking to me.
You need your math book and a whiteboard, which are both over on the table. Okay, the 4th grade classes are painting designs on the squares to make a mural. Mrs. Kirk's class painted 3/10 of the mural. Mr. Becker's class painted 21/100 of the mural. What part of the mural is painted? What do I do to solve this? First of all, what kind of problem am I dealing with? Esme? An addition problem. Can I add these two things together?
Yes.
Why, Hayes?
Because 10 and the denominator is not the same.
Not like denominator, so I have to change one. How do I change it, Abhishek?
You make 3/10 into 30/100, and then you.
And how'd you get 30/100?
3 times 10 and 10 times 10.
Okay, 10 times 10 is 100. So what I do to the bottom, I gotta do to the. So now I got 30 plus 21 equals Alexis.
It equals,
You have a whiteboard in front of you, so instead of trying to do it in your head, please utilize the tools that you have so you don't get it wrong. Oh, Isabel. No. Bailey. 51 over 100. Again, don't do it in your head when you have the tools in front of you. All right, the next problem tells us Sean lives 0.5 miles from the store. The store is 0.25 miles from his grandmother's house. Sean is going to walk to the store and then to his grandmother's house. How far will he walk? What kind of problem am I working with, Gianluca? No. Pay attention to me up here. That's the third time now that I've had to ask you to do that. The next time it'll be with a phone call to your mom. Maricela, I'm going to add the two together. So I have 0.5 plus 0.25. What is the first thing I need to do when I am doing anything with decimals? Everybody. Okay. Now I have nothing right here. So what is that? Zero. Thank you. A lot of people make the mistake of doing this. 0.5, and then they think they have to add up the numbers. They think they got to line the numbers up, but that is incorrect. We line up the
those people must.
No, it's people who don't pay attention. Okay, so I'm just going to put a 0 there because 0.5 and 0.50 are the same thing, right? Okay, what is 0 minus 5? Oh, we're doing adding, sorry. 0 plus 5. 5 plus 2.
7.
My decimal comes down. 0 plus 0? 0. So then my answer is 0.75. Levi, I'm sorry, I can't hear you because your classmates are being disrespectful. Thank you for raising your hands and waiting for me to call on you. Go ahead.
In third grade, I did not know that my teacher says zero is just a placeholder.
0 is just a placeholder most of the time. Gianluca.
I don't care where you got the 75 from.
I added these two numbers together. Again, all about paying attention to the board up here rather than on your hands. Do you understand how we got that? Okay. Whiteboards.
Yep.
Number 1. Do number 1. 9/10 plus 9/100. 9/10 plus 9/100. Hey. Okay, so no, it is not 9 plus 9 because the fractions are not the same. The first thing you have to do is convert the fraction. You can't add it without converting it. I saw some of you using decimals. You knew that 9/10 looks like this and 9/100 looks like this. And you added them together, which is fine as long as you can take them back and put it into a fraction.
Oh, so I just could have done that.
So you could have done that.
Wow.
Okay. Yes. Did you get 99 over 100? That's what matters to me. Okay. Second one. 0.35 plus 1.25. 1.
Switzerland.
Good. It's 1. Your addition's wrong, Robert. Okay. so I'm going to add. What is 5 plus 5?
10.
Carry the 1. What is 3 plus 2? Plus 1. And what is 0 plus 1? So 1.60. Hey, number 3. Please.
Eyes on you.
Again, eyes on me.
Eyes on you.
Okay. I can't add 110. I can't add these two fractions together. So I got to make this one into 100. How do I get there, Tina? How do I get from 10 to 100?
You're gonna do 10 times
10 times 10. Carolina, what do I do to the bottom? I got to do to the
10.
top. 5 times 10 is?
50.
Now 50 plus 3 is?
53.
You will always, 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 everybody say always.
Always.
Change the 10th fraction to 100. Put that out of your mouth, please. Always change which fraction, Carolina? The one that's in 10th. You will always change that to 100.
Is that pretty much going to be
Because I can't go backwards on most of them. Like if I could do it on these two, but if I had 21 over 100, I can't make that a 10th. Because 21 can't be divided by 10, right? So I can't do that. I can't make it into a 10th. So it's always easier to remember to make the 10th to 100th fraction. Last one, 0.07 plus 3.24.
Is that correct? No. Oh, is that correct? Wait. So where do